Hey there, folks! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something every car owner should know about. What happens when you let your car sit idle for too long? Trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this one, 'cause your ride might not be too happy if it's been sitting around collecting dust. So hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and let's get rolling. Alright, let's kick things off with a biggie, the battery blues. You know that feeling when your car just won't start? Yup. Blame it on that battery losing its charge if you're not giving it the exercise it craves. Next up, we've got the tire trouble. Flat spots, uneven wear. Tires hate being stationary. I'll spill the beans on how to keep your rubber road ready. Keep those ears perked, folks, 'cause we're diving into oil woes. Old, sludgy oil isn't doing your engine any favors. Stick around to find out why a little spin around the block could save you big bucks. Ever heard of critters setting up shop in your ride? Oh yeah, we're talking rodents making cozy nests under the hood. Buckle up, 'cause I've got the scoop on how to keep your car rodent-free. Brace yourselves, folks, we're talking rust and corrosion. Your car's not a fan of humidity, and it'll show if you're not taking it out for a spin. Stick around for some pro tips on rust prevention. Say hello to your car's arch enemy, the brake system blues. We'll dig into why your brakes might be acting up if they're not getting the action they deserve. Get ready to be schooled on the electronics glitch. Your car's computer system could throw a tantrum if it's feeling neglected. Don't worry, I've got your back with some easy fixes. Alright, folks, it's time to talk about the fuel factor. Letting your car sit around can mess with the fuel quality and injectors. Stick with me to find out how to keep your fuel system happy and healthy. Last but not least, it's time to tackle the interior conundrum. Mold, musty smells, and a sad-looking cabin. Yeah, your car's not digging the stationary life. But don't worry, I've got some neat tricks up my sleeve. There you have it, folks, 9 things that can happen to your car when you don't drive it. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, you can keep your ride in tip-top shape even if it's not hitting the road as often. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our automotive adventures. Until next time, keep those engines purring and those wheels turning. Take care and drive safe.